Ah, Oga Landlord, this your fowl go sweet oh. See shares on your con.
Jesus.
See, listen very well. This one wey dey allow your con so. I know what you say. This fowl miss so.
Okay.
If this one miss, you go miss for one. Because I not trust any of for this compound. Man go look for that baba, that investor bear before you go use my fowl. They go do sacrifice. This fowl, if you miss, you go miss.
Jesus.
Hey, investor bear. I purposely carry this fowl call it find you since. Observe the fowl well.
Jesus.
I don't want you say you carry my fowl go shrine oh. You go tell me say the God say make the every fowl call. If I hear now, you know your God say, Man of talk first, man reserve my comment first.
You don't see where gods they use a Greek fowl till they do sacrifice.
Jesus!